Buntag ka natin tanan. I am Michelle Doliente Macaso, the MLGO of Municipality of Bayog, and presenting this week's DILG CDS Ganap sa Field.
The Provincial Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board convened to conduct interviews on January 15, 2025 and deliberation for applicants on January 22, 2025, vying for ADA 6, LGO 2, and LGO 5, aiming to fill key vacancies in the DILG Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Office. The Provincial PIDAO Focal Person, together with the alternate focal persons, successfully conducted the 2024 assessment for Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Persons with Disability Affairs Office and its focal person on January 22, 2025. The activity aimed to evaluate the performance and compliance of the PIDAO with the key indicators, ensuring continued support and inclusivity for persons with disabilities in the province. The SGLG Provincial Focal Person and alternate focal person of the DILG ZDS Provincial Office successfully facilitated the SGLG 2024 Exec Conference and 2025 Entrance Conference for the Municipality of Bayog. During the session, the official governance assessment report for the 2024 assessment was presented, highlighting key areas for improvement and preparation for the next year's assessment. Additional indicators for the SGLG 2025 assessment were also introduced and discussed. On January 21, 2025, the DILG and the MSWDOs came together for a productive re-orientation session on the 2025 CFLGA. The event focused on an in-depth review of the 5 key indicators, emphasizing the importance of effective collaboration and shared goals for the upcoming year. On January 22, 2025, the Pagadian City took an important step toward ensuring a child-friendly environment by holding a preparatory session for the upcoming child-friendly local governance audit. LGO2 Teo Gangco provided a detailed overview of the audit, and LGO2 Nasol led an in-depth discussion of the 5 core indicators: survival, development, protection, participation, and governance. This informative session brought together members of the City Interagency Management Task Force and representative from private schools, highlighting the crucial role of inclusivity in the audit process. Through these collaborative efforts, Pagadian is reaffirming its commitment to upholding the rights and welfare of every child. DILG Ramon Magsaysay Field Office. On January 20, 2025, the Local Government Performance Management System Seal of Good Local Governance Team and CFLG Interagency Management Task Force of the municipality conducted a meeting in preparation of the 2025 SGLG and CFLGA. The first weekly LGPMS SGLG team meeting concentrated on governance area social protection and sensitivity, where every indicators and sub-indicators were ranked in prioritization, designated process owners, and identified actions to be taken. Second agenda focus on the CFLGA MOVs to be prepared in every indicators basing on the current state of LGU through the lens of child friendliness. The DILG Ramon Magsaysay Field Office conducted general orientation for the newly appointed barangay secretaries of Barangay Lower Sambulawan, Malati, Paradise, and Sapa, Anting, held on January 21, 2025 at DILG Ramon Magsaysay Conference Room. The orientation provided essential knowledge and understanding necessary to effectively fulfill their duties and responsibilities. On January 20 and 21, 2025, the DILG-ZDS Cluster 2 successfully conducted a 2-day basic digital literacy orientation and document management system reorientation workshop for the DILG Zamboanga del Sur Cluster 2. The workshop aimed to enhance participants' digital skills and improve document management of each field officers. The event was graced by the DICT personnels, Ms. Juve L. Ferry, PDO3, Engineer Angel Grace M. Lapat, PDO1, Mr. Lodimar M. Galvez, PLA. And for the DMS reorientation workshop, together with the DILG Regional Office, were invited Mr. Melvin A. Guhel, Administrative Office 3, Mr. Arafi W. Bandar, Data Analyst. On January 22, 2025, the DILG-ZBS Cluster 2 gathered for a cluster pictorial session. They showcase unity and professionalism in the 3 attires assets. First, traditional Filipiniana attire. Second, formal black coat with white innerwear and black pants. And lastly, Cluster 2 polo shirt with their official logo.
Ug mao to ang update sa DILG Zamboanga del Sur Ganap sa Field. For more updates, please follow us on our official Facebook page, DILG Zamboanga del Sur. Hashtag Z surpassed the limit.